Hello guys, welcome to your channel. It's W3 Academy. In this tutorial we are going to start HTML practically. So let's get started without wasting any time. So all you need to have a notepad in your browser, and so let me start our first program of HTML. First of all, you have to declare the type of your document by this syntax: doc type HTML. It will tell the browser that this document is of type HTML. So after this declaration, every document of HTML must start from this line of code, and after that I have to write HTML closing and opening tag. So the document of the HTML document itself begins with this HTML opening code and this HTML closing code. Every single element of the HTML document should be written between these codes. So after that I have body tag and body. The visible part of your HTML documents should be included between these two tags. So after that I will show you the headings of HTML document. So first let me save this file first .html. Okay, this is the extension of your document .html. So after that I will tell you that about there are 6 type of headings in HTML. H1, this is heading 1, and closing tag of this tag. And let me copy this. I will show every type of heading you. So first let me show the our document in a browser. Click on this document and you can see that there's nothing in this browser because we didn't write anything in the body part yet. And let me copy this here. Okay, 6 times. Okay, so heading 2, this is gonna be heading 2, and heading 2, heading 3, heading 3, this is gonna be heading 3, heading 4, I'm sorry, this is gonna heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, heading 6, heading 5. Okay, so now you can see that here in the document. Okay, this is heading 1 and this is heading 2, this is heading 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So you can see that heading 1 is big and heading 2 is something smaller than heading 1, and so on. So this is the headings of HTML. So you can write your heading this way. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss any updates in future. Or we will study, we will learn HTML anchor tags and image tags and paragraph tag in our next tutorial. So thank you for watching and stay